Audiobooks versus paper books. What are the pros and what are the cons of audiobooks and paper books? In this video, we are going to discuss in detail. And at the end of the video, you will get to know what is best for you, whether it's either audiobook or paper book. Please don't skip and watch till end. If you're new to this channel, we in Knowledge Hawk team will produce videos on books, and we break down the books into 5 to 6 minutes videos so that you'll learn a lot of stuff within 5 minutes. And if you want to gain a lot of knowledge and if you want to succeed in your life, please subscribe to our channel, click that bell button and click that like button if you like this video. Now coming to the content, audiobooks versus paper books. Audiobooks are basically books narrated by the very good orators, and they'll read books for you just like a friend beside you reading for you. And coming to the paper books are good old paper books and just hard copy of paper books. Now we are going to compare which is best. Audiobooks versus paper books. Audiobooks are a lot more easier when compared to the paper books because you're just plugging your headphones and listening, which is very much easier than reading the hard copy of book. You're sitting somewhere and turning the pages around it. Now coming to the second point, we can complete lot of books with audiobooks because we are just listening by plugging in your headphones. You can do lot of multitasking. You can ride your car, you can go for gym, and you can get out from the chaos. And coming to the paper book, you have sit aloof and you should be having a very good light and you should be not have any disturbances. So it should be so reading a paper book is a little bit slower when compared to the listening an audiobook. Coming to the third point, your reading skills may not improve that much you just by listening the audiobooks, but when you do the reading the paper books, your reading skills will improve, your imagination will improve, and your writing skills also improve. And these are the good side effects of the reading hard copy book. This is one of the very good advantage of the reading a hard copy. Coming to the fourth point, not all books are preferable for listening. I'll tell you my story. Previously even I was having the myth of listening the book is not that much greater than reading a paper book. So for experiment, I have purchased one book, that is The Power of Habits. So I've listened that book and I completed it very soon, and when compared to the reading with the hard copy of book, so I felt very good. And then I purchased one more book, that is Intelligent Investor. The Intelligent Investor book contains a lot of, because it is all about share market and investing, so it will contain a lot of graphs, bar charts, tables, everything like that. You cannot listen that kind of books, right? You have to see the books, you have to see the book literally to understand what speaker is telling about. So not all books are preferable for having listening. Some books should be read in the paper book. So the only book preferable for listening is just like stories or novels, or some books like narrating, or some book with the protagonist is telling about with which is having a less amount of having the photographs, bar charts or graphs, something like that. So you go through the reviews and see whether this books contain that kind of stuff, and you can go for the audiobook. And coming to the final fifth point is when you're going with the audiobook, you are close to the digital, and when you do the reading, you are keeping away from the digital world, which is very more healthier for your eyes and health. So in the healthy perspective, paper book is a lot more preferable coming to the audiobook. These are the 5 points. Now coming to the summary, so what is the overall what I suggest is, like, if you want to complete a lot of books, just go for audiobooks. And if you want to that hardcore feel, that hard feeling, if you want to collection, if you want to see that library and the good old feeling of your library, you should go for the paper book. But you should have a very good collection of books, and some books should always be in a collection like a classics, so you should keep it in your library. So audiobooks will help you to complete it faster and grab the essence, and paper books you'll get the feel, and you will have the very good confidence of, yeah, yes, I read this many books. So yeah, so that is a video. And if you like this video, please like this, and please subscribe to our channel Knowledge Hawk, and we make videos on books. And please don't forget to click that bell button, and thank you.